Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to WizKids, a show brought to you by Wonderslate Technologies, where we bring to you some of the brightest young talents from all over the world. Today, we have the pleasure of having Soumya, an 11th standard student from Haveri, Karnataka. Welcome to Wonder Publish magazine, Soumya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. So, Soumya, you are in the 11th standard. You were recently promoted to 11th standard, I guess. So, first of all, how was your experience with online classes?
Well, the concept of online classes has both positive and negative aspects. I experienced both the aspects. The positive aspects include the accessibility of time and place.
Okay.
Like we can attend online classes from whichever location we want. And secondly, the lectures which are going on the Zoom can
Right.
be recorded and be used for further references.
Yes.
This also helps a lot, sir.
Correct.
And the negative aspects include the staring at the screens for a long time, and it causes health hazards and it is harmful for our health. And the technical issues sometimes we face due if we'll disconnect from the call, and again we have to join, and all those technical issues.
Right. So did you face any health issues because of online classes, constant screen interactions?
Sometimes my
Headaches and like
eyes.
that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So you're glad that your schools will open up. I mean, we hope that they open up soon enough, right? So that you can go and interact with your friends and all. So
Yeah.
other than, online classes, you must have done, many other things as well. You have many interests as well. So please tell us about your interest first. What kind of interest do you have?
My interests include reading, writing,
Reading, okay.
drawing, and playing badminton, sir.
Playing badminton. So playing badminton must have been, tough during the pandemic.
It's we used to play near our house. Our playground is there, and we
Okay.
used to play there.
That's wonderful.
I used to practice.
Okay. And about study material, which was widely available in electronic formats, like let's say like ebooks, e-resources, these courses and all. So what do you think of all these resources?
E-resources, firstly, they are very affordable. We can
Okay.
just we'll get a whole book to read.
Yeah.
But it is not easy to spend much time in e-resources because they cause health hazards. They are very harmful to our eyes.
Right.
So it is not preferable to read e-resources much.
Okay, so you don't prefer ebooks, but I mean they're cost effective and they are you can get them instantly.
Yes.
So I mean there are positive sides as well, right?
Yes.
Correct. And as I just told in the introduction that you are promoted to 11th standard. So what do you think of the board exam cancellation? What are your views on that?
Sir, I think it is quite a decent decision taken by the boards,
Okay.
because health we consider priority
Right.
compared to academics, and they have also preferred option that if the children are not
Right.
satisfied with the assessment criteria, they can attend the exams.
Okay.
I think this is a recent decision.
So are you going to appear in the exams? Do you want to take the assessment?
I should think of it, sir.
You should think of it. Correct. Great. So speaking of thinking, what do you want to what do you aspire to become when you grow up? I'm sure this question must have come up many times in your life, but you must be serious by now about what you want to do.
Yes, sir. I aspire to be an IAS.
You aspire to be, sorry?
IAS officer.
IAS officer. That's great. And this inspiration comes from?
It comes from Dr. Kiran Bedi ma'am.
Okay, Dr. Kiran
From
Bedi.
the child.
Okay. Great. So why do you look up to these people, Dr. Kiran Bedi, and another name, if you can say it again because there was some disturbance?
Swami Vivekananda,
Swami
Dr.
Vivekananda.
APJ.
Oh, wonderful. So why do you look up to these people?
I inspire from them because of their ideologies. They think
Okay.
how the way they lead their lives.
So you want to become a leader like them.
Yes.
That's great. That's great. Wonderful. So which is your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is history, sir,
History.
because yes,
Okay.
because I reading history of India, of any other country in the world, and I find it very interesting, sir.
You find reading history very interesting.
Yes,
And any of your favorite teachers? Don't say that every teacher is your favorite.
it is one, sir, because everyone were supportive, kind to
Right.
us.
Right. Of course, I was kidding you.
Yes.
Great, great, great. And speaking of support, how was the support from your parents during this pandemic? Because your parents also were at home with you. They were also not going out. So how was the whole experience, and particularly the support from parents?
Yeah, so parent support is plays a very significant role in the development.
Yeah.
My parents also extend a lot of support for me. They
Your
encourage
voice
me.
voice broke down, so you can repeat the first line again.
Yes, sir, parent support plays an important role in our development, and my parents also extend a lot of support for me, and
Right.
they encouraged me. They boosted up my confidence.
Yeah.
Be it be in my studies, in my co-curricular activities, and in my mental development as well.
Okay. So it was a. I mean, they were quite supportive.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. And speaking of our times when we were confined to our homes, you told us about your interests. You like to read, you like to write, and all. So, what is your favorite book? Which is your favorite book, if you can tell us?
Sir, my favorite book is Personal Development, which is by Swami Vivekananda.
Okay. So you read
Uh,
Swami Vivekananda's book.
yes, sir.
Okay. And
I
what
have
else?
read that recently,
Uh-huh. And what other thing that
and
you pursue?
I pursued in singing, and
Singing.
I
Okay.
catch up daily updates about the news
Yeah.
of India, of the world,
Right.
and I go out for a walk sometimes.
Right. 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 Great. Great. So you sing. I mean, what kind of songs do you sing?
I love to sing melody songs, sir.
Melody songs. Right. Uplifting songs. Right.
Yes, sir.
Great. 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 So during this pandemic, you must have missed your friends greatly. So uh, how did you interact with them? And tell us about your let's say relationship with your friends during this time.
Definitely, sir. I missed my friends a lot because this was our last year in our schooling,
Right.
and we were unable to attend the school in this last only,
Right.
and therefore I missed them a lot. We used to get connected with the social medias like Instagram and all the.
Yeah.
We used to call each other video callings, and
Right.
we used to get connected.
Used to get connected. Wonderful. Tell us about your schedule during the pandemic, when how much time you were devoting to your studies, to other stuff, everything. I mean, we were to give, let's say, an outlook of your schedule to a person who's listening to this interview.
Usually, I get up at 7, sir.
Okay.
From 7, my daily routine starts,
Okay.
and from 7 to 9, I uh, freshen up myself,
Correct.
and
Correct.
from 9 to 10, I used to have my breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
and from 10 to or 1, I used to read some books, and later I take a break for a lunch, and then I used to catch some daily updates,
Right. Daily updates from
and
internet.
what's up?
Daily updates from internet or newspaper?
Yes,
What do you read? Okay.
From newspaper as well as the internet, sir.
Internet. Wonderful. Okay, so you were studying for how many hours roughly?
Roughly, I study for about 5 hours.
5 hours. Wonderful. And now which stream you have chosen in the 11th standard?
I have chosen humanities, sir.
Humanities, because you like history.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. So I'm sure you're waiting for your school to open up as soon as possible. Is there any update from the school?
Yes.
When is it opening?
No, sir, they haven't.
Okay.
No, they are waiting for the government orders.
Right, right. But your online classes must
Further,
have
they'll
started.
open up the school.
Right, right, right.
No, sir, they haven't started.
They haven't started yet. Okay. Yes, it's a state-wise thing. Right, correct. Correct.
Yes.
Great. So, Soumya, any study tips you'd want to give to, let's say, students who have come to the 10th standard now, because you are their senior. So, talk to those 10th standard students, tell them how to study and how to get, how to find their favorite subject if they haven't found yet.
Firstly, I would like to suggest them to keep an eye on the, like e-resources which they get from where they can get information.
Right.
And the subjects don't hate anything, because finally all the subjects will help you score better. And keep interests, and if you have an interest in particular subject, you can choose it for your higher studies as well. So largely focus on a single subject where they can pursue their higher studies as well. And I suggest them not to lose their confidence, because during this pandemic, the self-depression has been a long issue now.
Okay.
And therefore they should not lose their confidence. Keep hope on them.
Yeah.
And yes.
That's a wonderful message, Soumya. And let me ask one another question here. How did you take care of your mental health? You just mentioned that, this mental issues are very common nowadays. And because of this pandemic, a lot of people, got caught into this quagmire. So how did you, take care of yourself?
I used to meditate, do
Okay.
yoga, exercises,
Mhm.
and with nature, in a serene, peaceful nature where we can calm.
Right.
The meditation helped me a lot in developing myself mentally, sir.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. So any meditative tips for other kids? How do you do meditation? When do you do meditation?
The ideal time to do meditation is the morning time, sir.
Okay.
From 7 to 7:30 or earlier than that.
Right.
Meditation helps in the mind be calm, and the blood, it also improves the blood circulation.
Right.
Therefore, I suggest everybody to do meditation at least for 15 minutes more.
15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful, Soumya. You have given wonderful advice to other students, and we can clearly see that you're a very mature kid at such a young age. We wish you all the best. And is there anything else that you want to talk about before we end this interview?
I request people to follow the standard operating procedures issued by the government. Stay safe, and if you go out, follow the guidelines issued by the government, and be at home as long as possible. Yes.
That's wonderful. So, guys, you have listened to Soumya. She has given you all the right kind of advice, and don't go out without necessary work. And for students, don't hate any subject. Keep well. Do meditate early in the morning, and read. That's more important. Soumya, thank you so much for your time. We wish you all the best, and stay healthy, stay safe.
Thank you so much for having me here, sir. I had a great time interacting with you, giving the advice to the students as well.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. Do subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next episode.